how to backup call log to Samsung Cloud on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Account and Backup. After click on Account and Backup, and if you want to backup data, click on Backup Data. So you will see call logs is here. If you want to backup call log, click on call log and click on Backup Now. After click on Backup Now, you will see call log is backup. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can backup call log to Samsung Cloud on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.